Hi friends, welcome to our channel. I am WB Techie. Today we are unboxing Amicikart kit of 60 watt soldering iron. This is purchased from Amazon. If you want to buy this item, please click below link. This is our soldering iron. Its build was very good. This soldering iron is lightweight and have good grip to handle. The kit comes with extra 5 different soldering bits. Let's change the bit. Plug to AC socket. Soldering iron have a indicator light. And the temperature adjusting is good. It is having high quality ceramic heater. It heats up quickly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.